How to mint NFTs, whether these are gaming NFTs, images, or tokenized real estate assets. I have been recently asked about it, that how to mint NFTs, whether we can use Opensea or other platforms to mint NFTs. NFTs are non-fungible tokens including gaming NFTs, images, or tokenized real estates, involving creating unique digital assets on a blockchain. Blockchain could be Ethereum, Solana, Binance, or any other blockchain you can use. For creating assets, you must have a Web3 wallet like MetaMask, and you must hold cryptocurrency in your wallet to make transactions. So to create NFTs, you need to add funds in your wallets. Choose NFT marketplace, whether you can going for OpenSea, Rarible, Mintable, or any other platform. Like there are specialized platforms for for gaming purpose like Engine if you're going to create gaming NFTs, or Propy for real estate. Creating NFTs require you to upload digital files like images, videos, music, or gaming assets. Add metadata like names, descriptions, properties, traits, or whatever you want to include. Then you can mint NFTs. For that, you can use platforms like OpenSea, Magicadon, or any other platform. You can create NFTs by this process. Then there is another method using smart contracts. Of course, creating NFTs using OpenSea is more user friendly as it provides a lot of facilities and handles a lot of the task at backend on its own. If you are going to create NFTs at OpenSea, you just have to create account at OpenSea, upload digital assets, add metadata, and minting process just starts by clicks. If you're going to mint NFTs using custom smart contracts, you have to write smart contracts. That gives you more control in minting process and adding more features in your NFTs, but you have to deal with more technical knowledge. You need to know about Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and understand how to deploy smart contracts on blockchain. Write a smart contract, deploy smart contract, and mint NFTs. If you're going on this road, the process is that simple. So conclusively, you can mint NFTs using OpenSea or creating smart contracts. If you need more control on your NFTs, you should go for smart contracts. If you are more into just going through it, you can use OpenSea. For now, I have been mostly using OpenSea for trading. Like if there are already minted NFTs, I have been trading it on OpenSea. I recently came to know that I can create NFTs at OpenSea. If you know more features about OpenSea, you can mention below in comments. If you're dealing with smart contracts, uh, that things could be more intricate. You can know more about smart contracts by exploring more at DEX screeners, where you will find a lot of tokens listed tokens there. Here you will find information about smart contracts and token pairs. I am trying to find a contract that is not perfect to show you that what things you should go to look into smart contract. To tell you about Dex Screener, it is a decentralized marketplace for listing new tokens. I'm trying to find a pair that has a smart contract where ownership is not renounced, or there are more loopholes in creating a smart contract like this one. The token name is Dealer. They have 3 issues in their smart contracts. I am not sure they have created these issues with some evil intentions, or it was some kind of lack of knowledge. I'm not going to discuss about it. I will just discuss that what problems could be there. Like here, the ownership is not renounced. It means the owner can make modifications in the smart contract. Let's say he created NFTs, say 500 NFTs, and these are all sold. Now the owner should definitely renounce the ownership to make it more comfortable for the investors. Like the number of NFTs could not be increased more than 500. If the ownership is not renounced, it's a red flag. Then you can see here the buy tax is 3%. That is way high. Who is getting this 3%? If anyone purchases a token from this smart contract, the buyer will be paying 3% more than the price of the token. This 3% will go to the owner of that smart contract. This buy tax should be minimum, like the sell tax. That is 0.06%. So these are some kind of intricacies in dealing with the smart contracts. Here you can see if the transfer is possible, that could be a red flag. Trading cool down period could be added. Can't sell all, and a lot of these things. Like it is an anti-whale, means in the smart contract most of the assets are held by a few individuals who can dump the market anytime. These are some kind of intricacies when you are dealing with smart contracts. Here you can see the creator address, creator balance, owner address, LP holder count, liquidity holder count. You can see that there are 3 people who are holding a lot of liquidity. Holder count means that how many people are holding these tokens. There are 1125 people are holding these tokens. So these are some kind of details about the smart contracts and creating NFTs. We will discuss about the real estate tokenizations sometime else in maybe next video. If you have any suggestions or anything that I have missed, or if anything I misinterpreted, you can comment below. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.